Today I'm going to show you the solution to the circular ornate border puzzle, which is part of Escape Game 50 Rooms number 2. And this puzzle is inside level 33. So the first thing to do is to find that spade, and we'll dig in the pot plant to find a piece of that ornate border that we need to use to solve it. And there's the puzzle, so we'll add in that piece, and there we go, play this game. So what we need to do is up the top, and you just tap on each piece to put them into place. There's a little gap right at the top between those two pieces, and then what we'll do is down the bottom there's also a gap between these sort of two claws. So there we go, pop that down there, and then the other side goes there like so. And there we go, we've got 4 of the pieces in place now, and then it's just a matter of putting the rest of the pieces in place. So up here then, that 2 piece with the sort of the 2 little claws, I'm calling them claws, they go there, and then the other piece with the other 2 claws goes there, so like so, and then it's just a matter of putting the other 2 pieces into place, and just tap them like that as they go into place. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There we go, it's in place, and there we go, you've solved the puzzle, or I've solved the puzzle, and I've collected that little piece which helps solve the rest of the room. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.